This RE/MAX Realtec Group property video is presented by Luigi Calai. Â Onsite. Senke Beach 2-bedroom 2-bath condo is located directly on the Gulf of Mexico on the 17th floor, overlooking beautiful sandy beaches and the Northeast Intracranial stunning water views. Living room and master suite with sliding glass doors leading to the terrace of Northwest Gulf water views, so you can enjoy the breathtaking sunset views, plus a wraparound balcony leading to the Northeast Intracranial stunning water views for those awesome sunrise views. Kitchen is open to a light and bright breakfast nook. Large master suite with a walk-in closet, double vanity, large whirlpool tub and separate shower. Resort-like style amenities include 3 swimming pools, heated spas, exercise center with steam shower and sauna, tennis and basketball courts, croquet and putting green. Beautifully remodeled clubroom with a piano, wet bar, kitchen, catering and 2 full-sized pool tables for your entertainment, great for hosting gatherings with family and friends. On-site manager and 24-hour guard service for convenience and security. Under-building private garage plus storage closet. Walk to fine dining, shopping, parks and marinas. Walk or jog to the #1 Florida Clearwater Beach. For more